Hey everyone, check out the FE Active Folding Camping Chair designed for maximum outdoor comfort. This extra long portable chair features full aluminum joints and zero plastic and key parts. The strong 70-75 aluminum frame easily withstands the elements and holds up to 340 pounds. Its breathable mesh fabric keeps you cool while offering great head and neck support. Weighing just 3 pounds, it packs down small into a convenient carrying bag for any trip. Grab yours today and elevate your hiking, beach days, and backyard relaxing. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.